best hole punches. These are okay for punches, and these come in a set of 3, small, medium and large, but they're okay to cut card. But when you want to go through a few thicknesses of card, then they won't cut, they won't make a hole. So best one is this one, and it comes with a set of 5 different hole punches, hole things, and just change them in there. Just unscrew that and put it in for the size hole that you want. That's the packet, and they come in for the hole punch anyway. So what I do, I put a lot of layers on so it doesn't cut anything else, and get a piece of card. So if you have some card, you could just go wherever you want to go. And just hold it still and push. Hold it still. And push, and then just pull out the piece in the middle. It'll punch, just take the bits off, and it will punch through card easily. Once you've punched the hole, then you can get a ribbon threader, and you just push it through the hole. Put your ribbon through and pull it through. It's for pulling ribbon or string through the hole. What I did was, I have a lot of this card, it's like checkered, and I coloured over it with with pale orange over it to make it go into this colour. You can probably see the two. I don't know if you can see the pattern, but, and because I didn't like the colour, but I covered a lot of card, this colour, and then because I stuck it onto the card on the background, glued all that, stuck the card on, then cut the excess off. Then I'm going to show you what I do. Then I cut out, I'm going to try it in there. I have a lot of dog dies, and I put the dogs one side in a Polly Pocket, a piece of card, and just cereal box or any box, the front or the back of it. So I put the dies one side and the shapes the other. So then I made the shapes. So when I cut the dogs out, I stuck them on the card. Yeah. Then I did the hole punch and did the ribbon through, and then you can hang up like a plaque. So then once I done that, then you can put the recipient's name in the middle, and you can do this with cats and anything. And then I'll put the name in. So I'm going to thread the ribbon through with the old punch, and it's on the card. Just glue your piece of card on the shiny side. If it's cereal box, it's so thin, you might need 2 or 3 pieces, but keep the cardboard side nice neat on the outside. So there's the dog one, and then I do another one where I can put the name in the front. I've done the holes ready to thread the ribbon through. Cards, and then I have all these to punch hole. They're all stuck on, ready to decorate on the card, any card. This one I tried to paint, using up some paint. And another one with the flowers, you can fold them up, stick them up. Yeah. What you do is just, if you cut out different colours, put one, then another colour, then the same colour, and then stick them all up in the air. Anyway, and that one I know is a patterned one, because you can cut them out in patterns. It doesn't have to be the same colour. And put the person's name on, glitter them, diamantium. So that's that, and then I went crazy with that other colour I've done on the board, embossed, plain colour. I tried it with a piece of vellum, scraps, but you can get I thought I could get a name tag out of it. It's vellum too, different type of vellum. That one I did on the felt. They come out quite thicknesses. That was that other one. Then I tried colouring the same colour onto a foiled card, and I embossed it and then left the colour over it, but it didn't come out too clever. I don't think so. Everybody say I did a lot with the one colour. I don't know if it's showing up the colour. If I put a piece, you'll be able to see sheen or not, I don't know. I go crazy sometimes embossing and colouring. That one was done with tissue paper on a piece of card. There you go, that was the hole punch. And to glue the shapes, and if I put a piece of plastic, usually plastic, this was off the carrier bag, then what I do, I put some glue down and rub it in so I can get a cloth. I use old cloths to wipe my fingers with. So try that piece. And what I do, get my shapes intricate or anything because they don't make a mess. Just stick it down with my cloth and pick it up, and press, and then you haven't got not much mess on the card. See? Push the shape down, pick it up. Oops, stuck to me. You can easy, no mess. And then when you finish with your plastic, you can just throw it away. That's another tip. And when you've cut out your shapes, like I did with the dogs, then you also have a stencil from the shapes. You could put that on there and just dab with the colour. Got my red and yellow and pink and blue, orange and purple and green, white, black. That'll do. And get your colour and tap in for the stencil. But you see what I mean anyway, the colours. So anyway, that's what to do. I'm going to keep all the cutouts, because then I can use them all for stencils. So waste not, want not. I think I covered everything, what to do. But I was trying to show you the old punches, because these ones will not cut through thick cardboard or thick layers, but this one will. Just have to push down, turn it, keep pushing, and it will cut out. So that's my tips. Hope you like. Bye bye.